about my top 7 Git commands and parameters. So let's start by defining what is Git. So Git is a free and open source distributed version control system, and it allows you to handle the changes in your working directories or working repositories projects whenever you work on teams, so you can synchronize work in parallel and create pull requests. Not Git specifically, but Git allows you to do many things. So in today's video I'm going to talk about the top 7 that I normally use, and let's start by this one, Git status. So here I have a working project which has been initialized to use Git. So whenever I do Git status, it will return any changes that I have in my branch. So for example, here those are files that I have added, and in here those are files. These are files that I have modified in my current working branch, and these are files that I haven't added but I have created. So those are not tracked, and these are already tracked. Also, we have here the branch that we are working on, and I will post a link where you can dig more into it to see how the Git flow works and how the branches are working as well. So in today's video I'm going to be covering the top 7 commands only. So now that we know the Git status command, we know that we can add multiple files. So I didn't put the add in here, but I'm going to explain a little bit. So let's say git add package JSON, git add package log, and then git add package log, and then let's follow the next one, which is git commit. So git commit will open a window where you can add a multi-line message for your commit. So in this case, let's add new packages to my blog. Here, if you see, I can add more lines, and this is for more detailed comments. But if you want to add only one line, you can do the git add, then add something. So let's see, git status. Okay, and then in here, as we added and committed the change, we no longer see it. So let's add the git ignore, and then let's commit with a single line message. So something particular about Git is that you can create a git ignore file, and in that file you can add all the files that you want to be tracked by Git. In the Node or ES6 projects, you normally have the node underscore modules, so you don't keep track of it, because every time that you do npm install, it'll get the latest from the npm npm.js website. So let's add this commit, and then you can do git diff, which is the next one. So git diff will show you the difference from the path that you put at the end, or if you do just git diff, it'll do it for all the changes that you have in your current thing. So in here we have those changes. So if I do diff and with a path, it'll show only the changes for that path. So you can see the red is what has been removed, which has a minus sign, and the green is the one that has been added, which has a plus sign. And this helps you to see the changes that you have done, and if there is any file that you are going to compare, you can check if your changes are completely done or not, and you can modify as well. So next, let's talk about git checkout. So git checkout allows you to change to different branches, and for that let's create a new branch, git checkout minus D will create a new branch from your current branch. So let's branch out a new demo branch. Now we are not in the demo branch because there are some changes that we need to check. So let's see what it does. Oh no. Git checkout minus B demo branch. My bad, because previously I did git checkout minus D, but this is not a valid command actually. Okay, so now that we are in the demo branch, we can do git checkout on the other branch that we want to go back. In this case, let's see, master, and then we are now in branch master. So if we change back to git checkout demo branch, now we are in demo branch. So in here we can see git status, and then we can do git checkout and the path name. So this will revert the changes for this specific part that we are passing. If we do it with a dot, it will ignore all the local changes that we have. So let's do it for this single branch, and now it has discarded all the changes that we had in that file. So if you see, previously we had the whole thing, I mean this one as well, but now we only had the untracked changes. So let's proceed with we already covered this one. So git pull remote branch name will bring everything from the remote. So let's do that. So we check out to master, and then git pull origin master. In this case, origin is the name of the remote that we have defined, and master is the name of the branch from the remote access that we want to get. So let's bring the latest from master, and now we just merge it. So this is an automatically message generated by Git, and then we just merge it, and now we have the latest from remote in our local environment. So another thing is the merge from branch. So since we created the demo branch when the master was not updated, we can do checkout to demo branch. And then here in demo branch, we can merge from master. So in here, we are saying that we want to merge whatever we have in master into the demo branch. So let's do it. Cool. And now we have everything in here. So let's check the cherry pick, and for that we need to do git log. And then in git log we have the commit, the hash commit, and then with cherry pick we can do we can extract any commits that we have in different branches. So let's say we are in one branch and we want to cherry pick one commit to another branch. We can do it via cherry pick. So let's say we want to cherry pick this commit. So what we will do is to git cherry pick and the commit hash. So what this will do, if we were in a different branch, let's say we create a new branch, and since I'm going to create a new branch in here, so let's first content log 5 tips. So git commit, and then add 5 tips to improve your React code. Then we check out to master, and then we are going to create a branch from here, demo to branch. And now this branch, this demo to branch, doesn't have the commit that we have in demo branch. So let's go to demo branch, then git log, and in here we have this commit. So we want to take this commit into the other branch. So let's go to demo to branch, and then we do git cherry pick, the hash commit, and now we have this commit into this branch. So let's say you have done some changes in different branch and you only want to get some specific commits to this new branch, so you can do it with cherry pick. And that's about it. So I will post the link for more specific information about the Git, and if you want me to cover any other specific commits, or if you have any questions regarding any other Git commands, or if you have any other questions regarding the commands that I just described in here, please let me know. Thanks for listening and see you next time.